Finally, the day has come. We're gonna get these heavy OEM STI wheels off of the GC8 and install some amazing, super highly engineered, lightweight Japanese racing wheels. The WedsSport TC105N. Now before we get started, let's take a look at what our current setup is. This is a 2016 STI OEM wheel, 18 by 8.5 plus 55. Now it is a plus 55, however, you notice there's a spacer back there. It's a 20 mil spacer, so it makes it 18 by 8.5 plus 35. Now that's wrapped in a Nitto NT05 255 35 18. So I already did the math, and the NT05 is actually a pretty lightweight tire. I did a lot of research, and it was the lightest one I could find. The NT05 comes in at 25 pounds, which is pretty light for a tire. Most tires range anywhere from 27 to like 35 pounds each. Also, the OEM wheel weighs 25 pounds each. That's crazy. But the WedsSport TC105N, it only weighs 15.7 pounds each. So, assuming that the tires are going to stay roughly the same weight, we stand to lose 10 pounds per wheel. So 10 times 4 wheels, oh, that's 40 pounds. 40 pounds, dude, that's crazy. 40 pounds off the car, not just off the car, but off of the rotating mass. That's pretty good, right? So not only is this going to improve driveline response, it's also going to improve traction and stability, because the wheel will weigh less, therefore when it bumps down the road, it'll be able to actually articulate the surface better and maintain traction. Losing the weight on these wheels may actually be something that helps the car maintain traction and hook when it goes on E85. I didn't change the width, I didn't change the compound, I did add a little bit more meat. We've got a NT05 255 40 17 that we're going to put on there. So we'll have a little bit more girth? You guys see that? That's a rainbow. I think I picked the right wheels. So I was actually able to fit 4 tires and 4 wheels separately into the STI. However, the trunk did not go as well as planned. Yeah, good thing I'm only going across the street basically to have this done. Hey, what's up, Mike? This is, you guys remember him? He did the alignment on the GC8, did a good job, so I'm back again for more.
There you go.
Alright, so we've got a set of 17-inch WedsSport TC105N and some 17-inch Nitto NT05 tires.
There you go.
255 40, and then the wheels are 17 by 9.
Okay. Are you messing with ride height at all or no?
No.
Okay.
No, I just need you guys to mount the tires.
Okay.
And balance them, and then I'll take care of the rest at home.
Okay.
So.
All right.
So we were unboxing the wheels, and look what we found. Swag. Oh, this is awesome. What do we got in here? We got a WedsSport hat. Looks like some other goodies here. Some tethers and Weds magazine. Ooh, and then some Subaru shirts. Hell yeah. Oh, that's awesome, guys. Thank you so much for the swag and the stickers. That means a lot to me. That's Commie Speed. It's where I got these wheels. They're actually having a really good sale on these right now, and that's why I ended up getting them. So the TC105N is going to be replaced by the TC105X. The TC105N is arguably one of the best competition wheels out there. Strong, light, beautiful, everybody loves it. So the remaining stock that Commie Speed has right now until the end of August is on sale for really cheap to move them out to make room for the TC105X. You can also use my coupon code, Boostaholics, in addition to the savings that they're having on their site. if you are interested in buying wheels, like how I was trying to get weight off, go over there and take a look. There's a link on the top of the description. Check it out. Run my code through there, man. See what kind of savings you can get. Hopefully you guys can enjoy this opportunity with me as well.
Notice there's no weights on here.
Wow.
No weights.
Nothing.
Spin her up. Let's see what the screen says. If it's true, good stuff, you end up like that. Everything's zero balance right from the factory. No weights needed, baby.
Oh, dude.
That's awesome.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's a rare bird right there. You don't see that much.
So before we get started, I had to swag up. Check out this hat. Ooh, it's sick. It smells like Japan. And check out this shirt. Ooh, more JDM goodness. Now, this shirt is actually available on the CommiSpeed website. I've wanted one of these for a while. I'm really happy that I bought a set of wheels so I could get a shirt. Not really the most efficient way of doing it, but hey, it worked. Now that being said, I don't know if that was a special deal that they had going on or what. It was just kind of a friendly surprise sort of thing. So I can't speak for them. I'm not saying if you buy wheels you're gonna get a free shirt. I don't know, but I did. So these are the Project Kicks wheel spacers, and they're actually really high quality. I may decide to put them back on if I want a little bit more width, but I'm pretty sure the offset I picked will be just fine. So you check these out. These are really nice. Hub-centric, made for the STI hub. These are exclusive through CommiSpeed. You can't get this specific pattern, hub, whatever, anywhere else except through them, and it worked great. Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, damn, that looks wonderful. Look at that fitment. Oh, gorgeous. She got some meat on her now. Real nice smooth alignment with the fenders. Just a little bit of poke. Nothing too crazy going on here. Just enough to let everybody know I can hook.
Wait a minute. Something's not right. Did you catch that?
Alright people, so the whole point of doing this is to have a stronger, lighter, better performing wheel. Now, we're going to see exactly how much lighter these wheels really are.
First, the WedsSport wheel with the Nitto NT05. Not touching it. 43.6 pounds. Up next, the OEM 2016 STI wheel with NT05 255 with a spacer, 52.2 pounds. Whew. There we have it. That's a savings of about 10 pounds.
Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at these wheels and see how they fit. First I'm going to walk us around in the garage, and then I'll take it outside and we can take a look at it there. Get some nice B-roll shots looks of the STI. But I really like it. One thing I noticed is that it fills out the rear pretty well. Check this out. up here in the front, it doesn't poke out very much. Just a little bit, not too much though. One thing I really like also is that it showcases the brake system and allows for more ventilation to those brakes. Look at all that air that can flow through there. And it's really a shame to hide those beautiful brakes. And I feel like that's what the OEM wheels were doing, is they were hiding them. These are really nice brakes. In addition to that, so the whole thing with these wheels is that it's finally going to make use of the precision shaft carbon fiber drive shaft that's in there as well. The two-piece rotors, all of those little weight reduction things that I had done was being offset by the heavy OEM wheels, or as I like to call them, boat anchors. These, however, the WedsSport TC105N, 17x9 plus 25, weigh substantially less. Alright, so here is the full second version of the Boostaholics GC8. You'll notice that I have two headlight intakes now. Check this out. There's one over here and one over here. Oh dude, I am so happy with how this turned out. Oh, it's gorgeous. I want to take a quick moment and just walk around this car. Well, let's just reflect on what it's actually taken to get it here. I mean, for those of you that don't know what it takes to build something like this, I really can't explain it. You just have to do it yourself, and then you'll finally grasp it. But for those of you who have done stuff like this, you can look at this car and be like, damn, that dude has put in work. I love these Subarus, I really do. I know a lot of people give them shit, but I fucking love them. Ah, beautiful.